Hey, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. If you're not over the age of 18, go the fuck away. I don't want you there watching me. Nothing here for you. This channel is for people who are old and have more than half a brain. I'm not saying you young people don't have half a brain. I can't measure, so I will not make any claims one way or the other on that. Anyway, this channel is not for children. I had no children content, and other than once when granddad would come to visit, there were no children on it. So it's mini machining and some really dry, sarcastic adult humor. Like I said, nothing here for kids, so go away. Hey gang, Poppy here. It's 5:20 a.m. I'm the only one awake, so I'm not going to be shouting. A little update on the calibration rings project for my shear line rotary tape. I think Monday, maybe today, most likely Monday, I'll be out in the shop cutting the calibration. The project is going much better than I thought it would. About the project, I was having trouble measuring that 4.5 inch diameter OD. So I spent $30, with shipping and tax and all that to get these. And I was prepared totally to flame this device on YouTube as total POS. Not total POS. Lake of raw sewage. But the measuring OD of the calibration rings, happy at the actual quality. Yeah, I know, irony. Fiber reinforced plastic digital calipers, right? The special thing about them is the deep jaws. I needed them to get, all the way around that 1/2 inch diameter. Yeah, all the way around that 4.5 inch diameter. Actually, they work pretty good. I mean, I'm not going to be doing tool and die work with these. But, if 1/10 of a millimeter, if 4/10,000ths of an inch is not a tight enough measurement for you, then spend more money. Don't get these. But if 4/10,000ths of an inch is good for you, you might want to consider them. Plus, I have an idea to make some 1/4 inch gauging extensions here, so that if I have, this is the hole, I can slip them in there and measure it this way instead of going like this. Good night from California, or good morning, whatever.